Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to disable marketing and analytical cookies on the Booking.com app. If you're concerned about your online privacy and want more control over your data, this quick tutorial is for you. Let's jump into the steps and improve your privacy settings right now. First, open the Booking app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Device Preferences. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Manage Privacy Settings. Here, you'll see options to disable both marketing cookies and analytical cookies. Simply switch them off to stop Booking.com from collecting this type of data. Keep in mind that functional cookies cannot be turned off. These are required for the app to work properly. After that, make sure to tap Save and Continue at the bottom to apply your changes. That's it. You've now successfully disabled marketing and analytical cookies on the Booking app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more privacy tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching.